Hi everyone. I'm going to move my face over here so you can see the tiles. Today we're going to learn about algebra tiles. I'm going to do just the introduction, so I'm just going to show you how to interpret them. You've probably seen these tiles before in textbooks, so let me try and explain to you what they are. So over here we have the green rectangles. I'm gonna move these other ones over here for now. So imagine that this green rectangle has the height of 1. Let me write it over here, 1. And the length of an x over here. So this green rectangle would be 1x. 1x, or just x, because the one over here you don't really have to say 1x, you can just say x. And then let's move over these squares over here. So then here we have squares. Now imagine that this has the height of 1 and the width of 1. Okay? So if I were to move this square, yellow square, over here next to the rectangle, we can see that it has the same height of 1 and width of 1, because if I turn this over this way, it has a width of 1. So if I added this green rectangle and the yellow square together, it would be 1x, which I've already written it over here, 1x plus 1. Okay? I'm also going to show you how to add equations. So let me move this over here, and let me erase this over here. It's a little tricky videotaping because it seems like I'm not erasing the board properly. Alright, so if I have this, which is 1x, we've already decided this, right? This is 1x. And then I have another green rectangle here, which is another 1x. And if I were to add this together, it would be 2x. Okay? Now, if I decided to, I'm going to just erase this over here. If I decided to add this one square over here to the rectangle, it would be, and I'm going to erase this over here as well. This is 2x, right? 2x. This would be 2x plus 1. And so if I added another square over here, this equation would be 2x plus 2. So I'm going to erase this here, and I'm going to write 2. And if I added another square over here, this would be 2x plus 3. Okay? We can also do subtractions using algebra tiles. So for example, let me move all of these over here on the side, and then also this on the side here. And I'm going to just erase this portion of the board. So we can also do subtraction. We can do 1x minus 1, which would be this, 1x minus 1. Or 1x minus 2. 1x minus 2. Or 1x minus 3. If we had 3 squares, it would be 1x minus 3. Okay? So we can also add two equations, like I'm going to move everything else over here again, and I'm going to erase this over here. So for example, if we had two of these green rectangles over here, okay, and then if we have 3 of the square, so this would be 2x, right? 2x plus 3, this whole thing, because there's 1x plus 1x is 2x plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So if we added another set of equation over here, I'm going to grab another green one and another one. Maybe we should do 3. And another one. And then we added a few more squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we have 1x plus 1x plus 1x. That would be 3x. Plus, we have, let's count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. So the easiest way to do this would be to just add all the like terms. So I'm gonna move these 2 green rectangles over here, and then I'm gonna move these 3 rectangles over here, okay? And then I am going to move these 3 squares over here so that all of the squares are together, and then all of the rectangles are together. And then I'm going to rewrite the equation. So let's see. Let me just erase this here. So this would be, let's count how many green rectangles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So that would be 5x. 5x plus, let's count all of the squares that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So we just combined all the like terms. We combined all of the green rectangles, which each one of them is 1x, and we counted 5, and so that's why it's 5x. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not very good at videotaping this. Sorry about that. Plus 7. And then let's just count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 squares. So that's 5x plus 7. So this is just an introduction on how to use algebra tiles. In our later lessons, we're going to delve into solving more equations together. Okay? Thank you for watching.